a grating on now. I didn't see that. That ain't rotten.
He's probably seen the word, that bit there where it's all dug out. Yeah?
Yeah.
And this bit on the end here, what you've replaced, that was all rotten, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So he's just thought, right, fuck it. Because the rest of the gate's alright, isn't it?
Yeah.
You're going over there with it or doing it here?
No, I'll go over there. I'll lie it down.
Yeah.
So I can unbolt everything.
Yeah.
Unbolt them irons. I can cut them.
Knock it off.
I can cut through there.
And it just screws underneath on
Yeah,
the...
but I'll just cut them. I'm open. I have got a blade because I know where one is. So I need one.
Don't make things light anymore, do they? Yeah, I fucking know. I'm like the same when I dig on my leg, take the skin off. Yeah, I normally put plasters over them, man.
Yeah.
Oh, got my seat.
Yeah, I need it.
Oh no. Right, it's time to make this new gate, the top of the gate. So Scotty's on the phone at the moment, so I'll bring you back in a minute.
Once we start doing the trams, we can do one at a time, and you know, because I had to put packing in between.
Yeah.
Where it had worn and all that, so. Put that behind me, which I keep looking at, things like that.
Yeah, nice little van that is, I like that.
Yeah. It is worth its weight in gold, but it's a good advertisement for the firm, and that's what it's all about.
He's smoking well.
Hey?
He's smoking well.
Yeah, he's cutting through the thing.
Yeah.
The screws off.
Two.
Just trying it with this, then I'll get the socket out, I suppose.
Not turning.
No.
No.
Thing is, these, right.
Oh yeah, you got to undo that one, ain't you?
Yeah, but I've got to undo it the other side.
Yeah, it's a coach bolt on it.
Is it? Oh,
Yeah, it's got a round head on it, isn't it? Yeah, it looks like it's got a round head on it.
This would be the one I've got to cut then. It's all turning, isn't
Nope.
it? No.
No. No. Nope.
Look at that. I don't believe it.
See, and that's that other iron off now underneath.
Yeah.
Hammer on the floor down there in front of your eyes.
Yeah.
Go on, keep going.
Yeah, it's a bit tight this now.
Same, yeah. I was going to say knock 'em upwards on the top of the head.
Yes, but you can't. See, look.
What?
Coach bolts are crap. I hate them. Some people like them.
Fuck me, that's what Henry had on his platforms.
Yeah. But when that goes in there and rots, it just spins. So how do you get them out?
Yeah.
With a bolt, nut and bolt, you can knock a what's it on it. Right, do I? Oh.
Do you know what? I was just about to say that, but I thought, no, hold your tongue. Because you know.
This one ain't gonna go that easy. If I what's it?
And you got a. Oh no, you took that out, ain't you? Oh no, because you glued it, didn't you?
Yeah. Yeah. And the glue's fucking held it.
What about ripsawing it?
Jake,
What?
do you want to do the job?
No, I'm alright.
Well, I'm happy with the glue. Fucking hell. Only put that on yesterday.
Solid, isn't it?
Yeah, solid as a wood, as the song goes.
Solid as a rock. Yeah, I know. Oh, look at that.
Gonna sort this. so. Is that's level there?
Yeah, that's on here, mate. Yep.
Put it beside that, straight. Don't put that behind me here. Grandkids, give me a pen. Give me a work.
Somebody put a message up, right? I don't know if you've seen it. Have you ever thought of taking up carpentry? Scotty, you?
Yeah.
So I don't know what he was implying, that you'd done a shit job or a good job. I think he was referring to that bit there you put in.
Oh yeah, yeah. Huh. He's fucked.
Lovely, isn't it?
Right. Come on, Jigsaw. Just hold it, Jake.
Yeah, I'm just gonna lean on it for you, alright? So.
Moving, innit? Move it up a bit.
Yeah, go on.
That's
All right.
enough, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. The whip saw is better. No, the whip saw's going all over the place.
Yeah, I noticed that, yeah.
Move him up a bit.
Yeah.
That's him.
Right.
No, I'm not a chippy, but I've got to work that out, how to get that out. But I knows.
Your nose.
Yeah.
So I can't make a suggestion.
Well, my suggestion is I'm going to drill it.
Well, my suggestion is, right, because that bit there has got to come out, you can use a rip saw on that. Doesn't matter if you go all over the place.
But it'll take too long.
Alright. Are you just going to drill bits and pieces out, are you?
Yeah, well that's what that chippy, the other chippy done.
Righto. Oh, I see, I got ya. Yeah, I see what you're doing now. Next time I'll keep my gob shut. You tap it and wrap it.
Chisel.
Chisel.
Quite through there. I've got that stuff. See? Pretty square.
Hang on a minute, let me get around that side, I can hold the back down properly. Yeah, alright. Alright.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Size lovely.
Hey?
That size lovely. A little bit here.
Fucking hell. I think you might have saved yourself £100 there, Scott. Eh?
Each time I would have thought. There's going to be a bit of piss.
Right.
Yeah. I'll just see if I've got mine, because that saw's no good. The blade,
Yeah.
and I have got a wood one.
Right, ready?
Yeah.
Oh, mate, all yours.
Just a little bit.
Yeah,
forward,
all right.
that's
Up,
it.
all right.
Oh, he's tough with this one. Woo! First one I'm knackered.
I tell you what, that'll get your heart rate pumping and lose a bit of weight.
Yeah, I need it. I was thinking if it don't work out as an arc,
Yeah.
I might turn it into like Jennings had, old Tunnel of Love. Little cars on the end for the platforms.
Oh, yeah.
There ain't none of them, but they were a good ride. He tried it, Jonathan Rowland.
Yeah, he put Invader
I would-
cars on there,
I
didn't
would
he?
take the car. I would take the platforms off and have a square made on the end with a tilt
Oh, yeah.
over the girders. The only thing is you got to have a side pay box. Come down a bit, Jason.
Yeah, all right.
Piss this one.
It's alright, you can shape it, can you?
Yeah. There's a knot there, look.
Oh, yeah. Fucking ain't no.
It is. Anybody wanting any work tuck on this winter? I'm available. Just about it the right way round. I'll clean this up a bit. That knot has played me up. It's a pucker, that knot, isn't it?
Can you turn it over and go the other way?
No. I think it'll be the same. All them what'll happen at me and fucking saying, what are you doing? I don't know. But we'll get there in the end. We're like British Rail. Sim. I've got the tools, I just don't know how to use them. I've got an idea. Right, Jace, let's have a little look. One will fit, one won't.
Well, you will with a better tapping. Oh, he's about out this one.
Yeah.
No, he's got to go. Shut up, Joe. Right, got it. Going, I don't think. Oh yeah. If you look inside there, Scott.
No, I can't for a minute.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, let me up.
I'll seize him.
You see him?
Fits like a baby's glove, that end.
Lovely, isn't it? Ooh.
Took that down. That knot well, that's like a planer.
Oh, he should knock in there now, shouldn't he?
I don't know. It's not looking good.
No, he's a bit here, isn't he?
It's this side. What I haven't got is the tools, but everything fucking moves, nothing wants to help you. Done it again. Oh well. What haven't I done, Jake? The glue?
Yeah, the glue. But I don't think it'll come off. It's on that tight. Like it's pissing out.
I can stand it up. Yeah, let it piss out. I'll put it back up. So go back down. Right. Have another check. Everything's there. Okay, that's in there. That's all up to there. Okay. Right. Fucking doing my head in not having a white bench, but custom down to this one. Old one. What was just done with that
Yeah, on the
fucking
floor.
wood? See, this is what I do. I put it at that end, just this end. This is the one.
We're through.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck me, it's starting to rain.
Drill out, I think the big wood drill. I think that. Same with that. No, that's solid. That's my problem, isn't it?
Then
I had it on the wrong speed. I did have a bolt. Don't think I had a bolt. What?
that one goes up that way and that one goes on the top. That's how we took it off. Because remember, you knocked them down, I held it.
Alright.
Alright, mate. Well, I just don't want you to put it all back together and it's wrong.
Well, it won't be wrong, will it? Don't matter which way it goes around. But we'll put it back original.
Yeah.
That one went that way or the other way?
Upwards. Because the coach bolt was on the bottom, wasn't it?
Yeah. Ready?
but I didn't know if you forgot.
No.
Okay?
I like to be reminded. But I don't think we ever glued these.
No, you didn't on the other ones.
A lovely bit of wood now. All run down. Do I?
Yeah, no.
The only fucking thing about these screws, I'm not talented or nothing about it.
Right, manage now?
No.
Hey? No?
Oh yeah. One more little one.
It's gonna come around here and load this one.
Yeah, that's it. Whew.
He ain't fucking coming out now, is he?
One more.
Him?
Just thinking of it. What? Nope. I'll do that. Double strength, Jace. Double strength. Professionals, but we're trying.
Proper job! Proper job! Fuck me, that's better than what the chippy does.
Yeah. Better than that first fucking chippy.
Oh yeah, wanker he was, wasn't he? He spent most of his time sitting down having a fag and he did anything.
There's no glue on there.
No. Fucking cloud there, that big one, black one there.
Yeah, it's coming in.
Yeah,
There's a wing following that.
yeah. That's going to be a bit tight, isn't it?
Yeah.
That iron.
Yeah. You won't fucking believe that, would you?
No.
Obviously, and the wood's the same. So I'll have to do that.
Fuck me, here it comes.
Yeah, let's leave it there. I want to hit that, do I?
No.
Fucking crap. Tell you. Well, it's raining. Come on.